So there was a stat that I came across recently, a 2021 social media stat, and I thought, oh, this is really interesting. I want to tell my hospitality family about this. And it sort of delves into the world of influencers, but when you peel it back, this is something that you can take advantage of right now, even if you're in your busiest summers, or if you're tuning in in the Southern Hemisphere, you can put in plans for when you're going to get loads of guests coming in very soon. This episode is all about social media and your customers. So my name is Mark Simpson, and if you don't know me by now, I give hosts just like you the tools, the tactics, the training, and the confidence to get more bookings. And today we're going to talk about social media. Consumers are 71% more likely to make a purchase based on social media referrals. I'll repeat that. Consumers are 71% more likely to make a purchase based on social media referrals. So let's delve that down. Although that was talking about influencers, I'm a big believer in this, is that your guests are social media influencers. They may not have the millions of followers like the Kim Kardashians of the world, but they are still influential to their people that follow them. Friends, family, co-workers, random people, they are still influential in their own way. Now, what you can be doing is you can be asking them via an email, via a text message, via the extranet to upload their pictures from their vacation to their social medias and tag you in. It's as simple as that. Tag you in. You can ask as nicely as, hey, if you've got any good pictures from your holiday, we'd love to see them. Upload them to your social media, tag in at Boostly UK, and we'll share them on our wall. We love to see our guest pictures. You can add an incentive on. If you tag us in, we'll pick somebody at random and they will win X. Or you can make it into a big competition to say we're looking for guest pictures. Please send them to us. We'll upload it to our wall. We'll get people to vote on them, and if you win, a couple might stay in the future. You know, there's so many different things you can do. The trick is just to ask. So here's what I would love for you to do. Send out a message to your guests that are staying with you right now. You can do it on an email or a text message and just say, please upload your pictures and tag us in when you do. If it's on Instagram or Facebook, give them the handle, make their life easier. And then just say, if you do, we will do X. So again, think about what you could do. The trick is to just do it. 71% of consumers are more likely to make a purchase based on social media referrals. Bear that in mind. So if somebody uploads a picture of your business on their social media and tags you in, they're going to go and find out more about it, whether it's a story, whether it's a post, whatever it may be. By simply being tagged, you're going to get the traffic. And, you know, who knows where that rabbit hole could lead to. So let's put it into practice. Let's see what happens. Utilize social media for what it is. Social. Friends being social. People love to show off and post their pictures of going on holiday, vacation. So let's put it to practice. Let me know how you get on. I would love for you to send me a message, mark@boostly.co.uk. Comment below if you've done this before, and just let me know how many of your bookings come from social media referrals. As always, I'll be back tomorrow. Very special one for those of you that have been taking part in the 5-day training this week. Tomorrow we finish it all off and I'll explain what's happening tomorrow. But until then, have a great Sunday. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.